off to the right, we have our key of what to expect uh, in the exhibit. Right here, we have coal as our nitrogen, our emerald block as our nitrate, our diamond block as our nitrite, and our gold block as ammonia. And then, first step is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is a process by which nitrogen in the Earth's atmosphere. Nitrogen fixation involves turning nitrogen into ammonia, NH3, or other molecules available to living organisms. Nitrogen fixation is essential for some forms of life. And then here we have our gold block, which would be ammonia, turning into nitrite and nitrate. Step 2, nitrification. Nitrification is the biological oxidation of ammonia or ammonium to nitrate. The transformation of ammonia to nitrate is usually the rate limiting step of nitrification. The nitrification is an important step in soil for the nitrogen cycle. This is an aerobic process by small groups of trophic bacteria and archaea. And then as we see here, we have the ammonia, not the ammonia, ammonia going into the ground to have nitrification done to it. Step 3. Assimilation. Assimilation is the process by which plants and animals incorporate NO3 and ammonia formed through nitrogen fixation and nitrification. Plants take up these forms of nitrogen through their roots and incorporate them into plants and proteins and nucleic acids. And then as we see here, we have the nitrite and nitrates surrounding the soil as we have plants' life on it. Step 4, ammonification. Bacteria are able to convert ammonia to nitrite and nitrate. They are inhibited by light, so this must occur below the euphotic zone. Ammonification or mineralization is performed by bacteria to convert organic nitrogen to ammonia. Nitrification can then occur again to convert the ammonium to nitrate and nitrate. Back there we have our nitrogen going into our ammonium, then our nitrite, and then our nitrate, all underneath the soil. Let's step outside real quick. Then step 5, dentification. This nitrate is then consumed by plants. The final aspect of the nitrogen cycle is dentification. This is performed by a variety of microscopic bacteria, fungi, and other organisms. Nitrates in the soil are then broken down and nitrate is released into the atmosphere. And our diagram shows that we have our nitrates coming out of the ground, out of the water in this instance, and being absorbed into the atmosphere by the sun. And that is it for this nitrogen cycle.